Hi, my name is Francisco, and as a part of the team number 9, I'm going to show you and explain a little bit about the third experiment that we are proposing to check if our hypothesis is correct or if it needs some adjustments. So the third experiment will be the discovery survey. So the problem we're trying to solve is that we want to know, I'm sorry, we want to know about the budget that the SMEs have for marketing or whether they not. That's what we are trying to know. So um, the easiest way is asking directly to them. That's why we will contact 50 SMEs through their social media fan pages or their main pages, and we will create a survey that we are going to send to them and ask them to fill. So this survey will have questions that goes from general to specific, like questions like if they do have a budget for marketing or if they don't, um, how much do they spend, how often do they make marketing campaigns, if they pay to some social media or some marketing expert, or if they just um, pay 200, 300 pesos to Instagram or Facebook ads to manage the campaign by themselves. All that information it's going to be there on the survey, and once we send this this survey to these 50 SMEs, we're going to wait 1 week, 7 days, and after these 7 days, we are going to collect all the information and bring all the answers together. And now it's the analysis time. We will gather the information and separate the responses by themes. Themes like the budget, the frequency, the the how do they make how do they do these marketing campaigns. Secondly, we will look for keywords and key phrases. And finally, we will select the three principal themes and focus on them for the next experiments and to modify the value proposition if needed. So this would be the third experiment. We select this discovery survey because it's the easiest way to get the information needed, and it's we don't need any external person to do it. I mean, we don't need to pay any other person to make this experiment. We by ourselves can make the survey on Google or something and just send a link to SMEs that are like our target clients, and that's it. That's why we select this experiment, and that's what we are expecting to get. Thanks.